Just like me, do you also keep googling about ways to improve your immunity? But what if I told you you can boost your immune system straight from the comfort of your home, and that too without spending any money? Sounds unrealistic. So today in Homeveda, I am going to tell you about a secret remedy that will make your immune system strong as a Superman and keep all types of infections at an arm's length. For this, you will need the following ingredients: tulsi, cinnamon powder, black pepper, raisins and jaggery. Now this holy drink is called kadha. Different Indian households have different recipes for kadha, and today I am going to share with you all one of the immunity boosting kadha recipes. So let me show you how to make it. So in a pan, add 2 cups of water. I am going to take some more water here. Now add some basil leaves in it, around 4 to 5 basil leaves. Tulsi leaves extract increases the T helper cells and natural killer cells activity, boosting the immune system. Now you can add around 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Cinnamon has great antioxidant properties that kill the internal infection and boost your immunity. It also slows down the risk of chronic diseases. Now add some black pepper. This black tiny spice works wonderfully to kill the inflammation causing infection, and it also has piperine, which improves digestion and metabolism performance. Black pepper is said to have positive effects on the body, including boosting immunity, reducing asthma and aiding in weight management. Now add some raisins. Soaked raisins help in boosting immunity with the presence of vitamins like B and C. It also helps in reducing the chances of getting infections. You can let this boil for say a good 5 to 10 minutes so all the goodness of the spices steep in. Even before the arrival of allopathy, our ancestors have trusted the hidden benefits of kadha. It can be consumed by anyone, including kids and elders. Once it boils, you can just switch it off. Our kadha is now ready. And now you need to strain the kadha. You can add jaggery or lemon juice according to your taste. This drink is best when served warm. Now I am going to talk about another ingredient that you can use from your kitchen that is absolutely magical. It's got a host of incredible healing properties and the color is yellow. You guessed it right, I am talking about turmeric. You may know turmeric as a key ingredient in many curries. This bright yellow bitter spice has also been used for years as an anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. It will improve skin health, detoxifies the liver, promotes weight loss and helps in healing wounds. Turmeric can be consumed in milk or water. Research trusted source shows that high concentrations of curcumin, which gives turmeric its distinctive color, can help decrease exercise-induced muscle damage. Curcumin is an immune booster and an antiviral. If you are lactose intolerant, you should drink turmeric with water. Having a strong immune system is one of the biggest advantages for humans, and there are many ways in which an individual can strengthen their immune systems to help fight infections and reduce the risk of contracting highly contagious diseases. Now, building immunity is not something that happens in a day. It is a practice that needs to be followed. Apart from drinking kadha, you can add citrus fruits, red bell peppers, broccoli and garlic to your diet to boost your immunity. So would you want to try any specific routine to boost your immunity? Or do you follow any specific health routine and eat any food that strengthens your immunity? Do share your thoughts on this. However, if you have a weak immune system and you fall ill often, then you should consult a medical practitioner to understand the underlying issue. Till then, stay healthy and keep watching this space for more such content.